Name change in New York. If you would like to change your name in New York, you are on the right place. In this video, we will explain how you can change your name legally in New York. Whether it is a child name change or adult name change, or you want your last name change after marriage in New York, you may bring a legally name change proceeding in any county in the New York State. The name change information brought to you by LegallyNameChange.com. To prepare your documents, please click on link in the description. Name change cost. First, let's talk about the cost to file a name change in New York. You may file your name change in the Civil Court or the Supreme Court of New York. Cost to file a name change in New York Civil Court is $65 and $210 in New York Supreme Court. Forms required for a name change process in New York. There are some name change forms you will have to use to file your name change legally. Forms to make an adult name change petition in New York, or a minor name change petition in New York. Following are the name change forms for New York State. You must fill out the right forms and bring them to the clerk of New York courthouse near your location. The required forms for New York name change process are: 1. General Instructions, CIV-GP 81. 2. Petition for Individual Adult Change of Name, CIV-GP 82A. 3. Consent, CIV-GP 82C. 4. Petition for Family Change of Name, CIV-GP 82F. 5. Petition for Family Change of Name Supplemental, CIV-GP 82F. 6. Petition for Individual Minors Change of Name, CIV-GP 82M. 7. Petition for Individual Adult Change of Name. Other documents required for name change in New York. Marriage name change in New York. If you recently got married, the marriage certificate is proof of your new name. Name change after divorce in New York. If you recently got divorced, the divorce decree is proof that you may resume use of a prior name. If you were born in New York State, you need to bring either an original or certified copy of your birth certificate. If you were not born in New York State, you need to bring proof of your birth as well. Do not sign the petition until you are in front of a notary public. A notary is available at the Court Help Center. Legal name change in New York. Take all completed papers and filing fee to the county clerk's office, county where you live, where an index number will be assigned. You will need 3 copies of the RJI. You will also need to make a copy of the papers if you want a copy for your record. If you are a parent or legal guardian and want to change a child's name or minor name, you need a notarized consent form signed by any other parent or legal guardian. If you can't get consent, then you have to give the other parent or legal guardian notice of the name change case and come back to court to see the judge. If you don't have an address for the other parent, you must take steps to locate him or her. If you still can't find the other parent, you can explain this to the court and ask for the name change without the other parent's consent. If you want to change the name of a child who is 14 years of age or older, you need a notarized consent form signed by the child. Publish your new name in newspaper. Even if the judge has signed your name change order to publish your legal name change, the original signed order and petition must be filed in the county clerk's office. You will need a time-stamped copy of the name change order to take to the newspaper listed in your order, and have the name change published. Newspapers charge a fee for publishing your name change. Publication must be within 60 days of the signing of the order. The newspaper will give you an affidavit of publication, which must be filed in the county clerk's office within 90 days of the signed order. Congratulations! Your name has now legally changed. Get certified copies decree of name change. You will want a certified copy of the name change order for your records. You will also need to purchase a few certified copies of the name change order to send to the different agencies, so your name can be changed on their records. So this was the module about all types of name change in NYC. You may hire the professional staff of LegallyNameChange.com to prepare the right forms for the right court. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.